Hey, 8th graders, reviewing Chapter 12 today, which was Land, Air, and Water Resources. Oops. There we go. So our vocab, I'm not going to read these all for you. There's quite a few of them, and my voice isn't so great. We have natural resource, pollution, point source, non-point source, environmental science, renewable resources. Please pause these if you need some more time to look at them. Otherwise, we'll move on. Non-renewable resources, sustainable use, ecological footprint, conservation, litter and topsoil. Again, pause if you need to. Subsoil, bedrock, erosion, nutrient depletion, and fertilizers. Desertification, drought, land reclamation, municipal solid waste, incineration and pollutant. Leachate, sanitary landfill, recycling, biodegradable, hazardous waste, and emissions. Remember we talked about emissions being what comes out of a car or a truck. Photochemical smog, ozone, temperature inversion, acid rain, radon, ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbons, also called CFCs, groundwater, pesticides, sewage, sediments. All right, and then our information from each lesson. So from lesson 1, our key points, environmental issues fall into 3 general categories: population growth, resource use, and pollution. To help balance the different opinions on an environmental issue, decision makers weigh the costs and benefits of a proposal for change before making a decision. Population growth includes so more people coming to an area, which will then in turn increase the demand for resources, and shortages can occur because of that increased demand. Resource use, resources include water, oil, coal, trees, others. And then pollution is caused by wastes, chemicals, noise, heat, light, and other sources. It can destroy wildlife and cause human health problems. Lesson 2, natural resources include organisms, water, sunlight, minerals, and oil. Humans depend on Earth's natural resources for survival and for development. Lesson 3, 3 uses that change the land are agriculture, mining, and development. Without soil, most life on land could not exist. Poor soil management can result in 3 problems: erosion, nutrient depletion, and desertification. Lesson 4, 3 methods of handling solid waste are burning, burying, and recycling. Most recycling focuses on 4 major categories of products: metal, glass, paper, and plastic. Hazardous wastes that are not disposed of in carefully designed landfills may be incinerated or broken down by organisms. Liquid wastes may be stored in deep rock layers. Lesson 5. Today, a large source of emissions resulting in air pollution outdoors comes from motor vehicles such as cars and trucks. Some substances that cause indoor air pollution, such as dust and pet hair, bother only those people who are sensitive to them, usually call those allergies. Other indoor air pollutants, such as toxic chemicals, can affect anyone. Scientists determined that the major cause of the ozone hole is a group of gases called CFCs, or chlorofluorocarbons. The key to reducing air pollution is to control emissions. There are some natural causes of air pollution. So methane is released from animals such as cows, and then that also sends pollutants into the atmosphere. And finally, lesson 6. Water is scarce on Earth because most of it, about 97%, is salt water. Most water pollution is the result of human activities. Wastes produced by agriculture, households, industry, mining, and other human activities can end up in water. The keys to keeping water clean are effective cleanup of oil and gasoline spills, proper sewage treatment, and reduction of pollutants. Land pollution, a way to help that is be sure that landfills are carefully built, produce less solid waste by increasing recycling, and educate people about recycling. Reducing air pollution is encouraging people to take public transportation or require all factories to use scrubbers. Water, educating people about what they should not dump down drains, stop factories from dumping waste into water, or launch a campaign for people to use less water. So please complete the Edmodo questions for the Chapter 12 test. There's quite a few matching with vocabulary words. There's some true, false, and there's some multiple choice fill in the blank with with options for you for the blanks. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.